is my immunity boost salad. I have juliennes of kohlrabi, a small kohlrabi, juliennes of carrot, and then for the powerful stuff, I've got grated turmeric, grated ginger. I've got shredded cabbage, as well as one daikon, which is a white radish, half of which I julienned and the other half I grated. And I've also got some black pepper in it, because the black pepper would increase the bioavailability of the polyphenols in both the turmeric and the ginger. In fact, there's research that's shown, depending on what literature you read, that it can increase the bioavailability of curcumin in turmeric by up to 6,000%. Some literature says 2,000%, others say 6,000%. So anyway, you only need a little bit of black pepper if you're worried about the taste. The black pepper taste might spoil the overall flavor profile of your salad. You only need 5% of black pepper compared to your turmeric, so you can put just enough for the beneficial effects to take place, but without you having to taste the black pepper. So that's that. And I've got the juice of 2 lime. Okay, you don't have to put too much lime, you just have to have enough so that once you stir it up, all your ingredients in the salad are wet. If you've got lime juice accumulating at the bottom, it means you've already put too much. Okay, so that's all you need, and I'm going to pack this up in my Tupperware here and take it to the shop, and this is what I'm going to eat together with some vegetarian fried rice. So I tapao my own ulam. It's not cat food, I'm afraid. Okay, here is the nasi goreng kampung minus eggs, minus ayam, with extra, what do you call it, kangkong. And here is my kohlrabi, cabbage, daikon, and cabbage salad with grated ginger, grated daikon, and grated turmeric with a little bit of black pepper. So I'm about to have my lunch now, and just outside Sri Kayu Ara restaurant, which I ordered this nasi goreng, and I've got a little cat here who's envious of what I'm having for lunch. So talk to you later. All right, I had this is the verdict for my nasi goreng kampung minus telur minus ayam with my immunity booster salad of kohlrabi, carrot, daikon with grated ginger, grated turmeric, and a little bit of black pepper and the juice of 2 lime. So let me first say that it was delicious. Some people would have wanted to add salt, but I'm on a low salt diet, so I don't add salt. And of course, once you're on a low salt diet, after a while you can taste flavors and you don't need to have the saltiness to give you a delicious taste. Okay, now the ginger background is there. It's very much in the background. The ginger flavor, we can feel the heatiness, but it's in the background. However, the turmeric is stronger. It's not in your face, neither is it in the background. You can taste it. It's quite delicious. So I think I've got just the right amount of turmeric in there. The pepper, the black pepper, I can't taste at all, so maybe I should put a little bit more. The daikon taste, I was worried about it because it can taste a bit funny. Was not detectable at all. Okay, so I get the crunchiness of the daikon as well as the carrots, and you can taste the what do you call it? Those 2 flavors. The cabbage is there, but you can't really taste it because it's quite bland and mild, and pretty insipid and tasteless. The daikon somehow goes into the background, and you don't taste it at all. Okay, so that's my verdict for my salad today, Tuesday, 10th of March, 2020.